Family, world, community, self.
Art.
Art.
For all.
For all.
All.
For art. Mix, mix. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Paint, paint, paint. Paint, paint, paint. Wow, wow, wow.
Art for all for art. Art for all for art. Based on colors, will paint your world. Come together, connect, create, celebrate.
Hi, my name is Hannah and I'm a school counselor for elementary kids. Really just enjoying the process. I really plan to use this in one of my counseling groups this coming school year, so I'm really excited for that.
It felt like we left with a stronger sense of community, especially
The fact that this is all collaborative and you're all working together makes you feel like you can do it and you're proud of the piece at the end.
We could all very easily pile on our different ideas onto each other's work.
From yourself to the family and how affect the community and then how it affects
Thursday, and I'm an art teacher at Jackson High School.
And I'm Angie McCausland. I'm an art teacher at Everett High School. We were
Rotating
materials,
different
positions.
It
It
helped
helped open up my mind a little bit. You know, definitely the collaborative piece and working as one really was kind of neat.
Yeah, positive,
Yeah.
yes.
We left feeling
Wow.
wow. There we go.
Connect, create, celebrate.